Hey there, I'm Daniel. So today, you decided to get a new car, but you do it the smart way. You put a little bit of money into Acorns every month or every week, and it adds up to a lot of money, and you buy a used car. Used cars are great. We got this 2019 Jeep Cherokee for less than half of what it cost brand new. It's only 1 year old. Yes, it has 46,000 miles on it. It's 1 year old. We're gonna have to do some maintenance. We don't know what it went through. We have to check the fluids, we have to check the tires, the brakes, and make sure everything is working order. So let's get to it. So now that we got brand new tires on it, I went with some Continental Pro Contacts. The car is already a lot safer and it drives so much smoother. So next thing is let's take a look at the fluids. Now if you have a gauge in your car that shows you what the oil life is left, it's great and a lot of people go by it. The thing is, we just bought this car. We don't know if somebody just did a reset on it, left the old oil in it. We don't know if this oil is 1,000 miles or 10,000 miles. So we're going to do a quick oil change. Let's get to it. So this is the 2-liter turbo engine from Fiat Chrysler. It's a 270 horsepower engine with 295 foot-pounds of torque. So let's get the oil changing started. Alright, now that we have the basics out of the way, I recently did a video about a Strut tower brace from Modern Performance. So when I looked at this car, it looked like exactly like the engine bay of the Chrysler 200. So before I sent the other one back, I reached out to them and say, hey, listen, can I keep it? Can I try it on the Jeep? And they say, go for it. So we gotta install a Strut tower brace on the Jeep Cherokee. Let's do it. right, so now that we changed the important fluids, we checked everything, gave it a once over, and we even made the strut tower brace fit, and I think the Jeep guys will be very happy with this. Now let's turn to the brakes. Now I did reach out to EBC and I asked them what brakes to go on these perfectly, and instead of just telling me a part number, they asked me questions. What are you going to use it for? How hard are you going to drive it? Is it just a commuter? And after I answered the questions, they gave me the exact brakes that I need for my driving. Now, I could get really high performance brakes. However, if I just commute to work in the winter and the brakes are made to get at their peak performance when they're on a track, when they get 800-900 degrees hot, it doesn't help me in daily traffic. I need to be able to brake at the first turn 100 yards down the road. So the brakes that they picked for me are exactly for what I need, and that's what we're gonna throw on right now. So let's get to it. So check this out. So see these brake pads? They look like there's enough meat on it, so it's just for visual inspection with the brakes on, you think everything is okay. Yet the rivets are already starting to show through on all of them. And that's why the brake rotors are all messed up. Now you can throw on new ones and then resurface those rotors, and you'll be back to the same crap in about 10,000 miles, or you can get some quality rotors and pads, and the pads actually matter a lot more. You don't get around a quality pad. So that being said, let me get cleaned up and let's go for a test drive. All right, so here we go. We're next day. We just ran out of daylight and a little bit of steam last night, so we're doing our test drive today. So all we're doing is we're gonna put some temperature into the brakes. This way it ensures that the surface made together and give us our full potential. So if you have any comments or suggestion of what else can be done to the car, let me know what you think about the strut tower brace for the Jeep. And other than that, until next time, see you around. Take care.